Welcome to NYNJPA Weather, your weather source for the Northern Mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Well, this week we're not looking for any major storms, unlike last week where we had a big wind event and some heavy rain. But this week it's going to be a little bit more tranquil. There are still some disturbances to the southwest that are going to produce some scattered showers from time to time, but for the most part I'm not expecting any heavy rain or any major storms. For today, high pressure will continue to build in, providing generally dry conditions for much of the northern mid-Atlantic, at least through the early evening hours. Thereafter, well, we're going to still have some threat of a few scattered showers, but it's not going to be a significant rainfall event whatsoever. Let's take a look at the water vapor satellite picture for this morning. This is the latest satellite picture, and the blue line here, that is the polar jet stream, and notice it is very active, has a lot of disturbances. And we also have the subtropical jet stream with a powerful upper level low moving through California. And also notice the southeast ridge. This is typical of a La Nina pattern. So we're starting to really see the effects of La Nina starting to grow over the northern hemisphere and especially over North America. But again, also notice we have a rather deep trough over eastern Canada, sign of a negative NAO. I'll describe why that's important later on this week in the new winter forecast, which I should have out by Thursday. Now, notice these circles, these yellow circles. These are disturbances. What we have in place is a cold front to the south of us. It's basically stalled. Why? Because of our southeast ridge. Now, because of that cold front being stalled, we have these disturbances riding along, and they're going to enhance any lifting along that cold front. Weak low pressures develop, like the one in Kentucky this morning, and as a result, we get scattered showers. We have 4 disturbances in North America that are diving towards the northern mid-Atlantic. So we're going to be dealing with a lot of these weak disturbances because the atmosphere is generally dry for the most part. These showers will not be very strong, and they'll be generally widely scattered, in some cases isolated, but still because of the strong lifting nature of the atmosphere with these disturbances, you're going to have to keep an eye out for a few scattered showers here and there. If you're going to a Yankee game tonight or Tuesday, or I believe Wednesday as well, Wednesday as well, don't worry about this rain. It's not going to be that big of a deal because, let's face it, one, MLB will play through any scattered showers, and two, it's mostly going to be to the south of New York City that's going to have the most impacts. Central southern New Jersey, expect some scattered showers. But New York City and the Bronx, I think you're going to be on the northern fringe of any of these disturbances. The good news is that these disturbances will not last for the whole week. Let's go back to the surface map. So the good news is that once these disturbances move through, I think the final one is on Thursday evening. Then we're done. Then all this high pressure that's sitting over the Rockies, the northern Rockies to the Pacific Northwest is going to build in time for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. So it looks like, again, some active weather for today, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, scattered showers, a little bit unsettled, scattered clouds, overcast clouds, typical fall-like weather. Then our strong cold front, which is currently over central Canada, moves through, brings in a much cooler air mass, high pressure takes hold, boom. Beautiful weekend once again for Friday, Saturday, and Sunday with moderating conditions and temperatures near normal for the most part, temperatures in the 60s. So after a little bit of unsettled conditions for the middle of the week, hey, who cares? Everyone's at work anyway. The weekend looks perfect with dry conditions and very, very comfortable weather conditions. Thank you for trusting in NYNJPA Weather as your weather source for the northern mid-Atlantic. I'm meteorologist Stephen DiMartino. Have an excellent day.